Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart at a after-school program. It's a little bit dark out here in Corona, California at George Washington School. Got to speak to the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth graders at their after-school programs today. And the focus of the central message was on anti-bullying, but more importantly, looking at someone's heart first and foremost, right? That we see everybody as human beings before anything else, like the shirt says here, one race human. And we show that same empathy and respect no matter how we're born, where we're from, whatever background, culture, skin color. We still show that compassion. We treat everybody like we treat our best friend, right? And there were some tears, like I always say, tears are strength. And we worked through some painful memories or current situations that some of the students are going through to turn us being hurt people who hurt people into healed people who help to heal people. And it's such a cool thing to think about, that if we are able to let, love, peace, empathy, respect fully enter our hearts that are as big as our fist, then we can turn that into this. And one finger is ourself, one is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourself by how we choose to treat them. And it's pretty cool because here at Washington, you got the mascot being the bird, or the someone that's gonna basically fly and lift somebody up even higher than themselves. And the way we do that is by knowing the W on all of our palms, right? W for worthy, but also for Washington. And then upside down, M for miracle, right? That we believe that we're miracles, we know our value, our true worth. And once we start to really appreciate that and understand that, we make it a point every day to be the light to someone else's hearts, to help them see that they are worth everything as well, that they're beautiful people. And that's how we start to heal this planet, make it a safer place and just a more caring, loving, and wonderful, wonderful world. Thanks so much for touching my heart. We'll see you guys back in April, again, when I come to share on diversity. But until then, much love, peace.